everyone, my name is Chitra Goswami and this video is for the summary of lesson number 149, and the name of the lesson is Who is my customer? The objectives of this lesson are that students will understand the importance of knowing customers and their needs, and students will understand how to collect information and feedback from customers. For the first step, you are going to begin the session by asking the students meaning of entrepreneurship as discussed before. And you will discuss with the students what are some benefits of being an entrepreneur and what might be some risks you have to face if you had your own business. And you will discuss with students what are some activities you can conduct to collect data from your potential customers. For the second step, you will introduce the objectives of this lesson to the students, and you will inform the students that knowing who your customer is and what their needs are can help a business design products and services that exactly serve what the customer demands. For the third step, you are going to ask the students to read the two definitions of customer and customer needs written under part A in their SRB. And once all students have read the definition of customer, you are going to discuss the following questions with the class. The first question is, who is a customer? And the second question is, why is it important to know about customers' needs and wants to start and run a business? The fourth step is Dear Time, and for this you are going to ask the students to go to part B in their SRB. You will inform students that this is an example of a survey that can be done to figure out the needs and wants of their customers. Now you will ask students to fill in the survey individually. Once all the students have answered the survey, you will go through the questions one by one and try to figure out what the majority preference is for each question in the survey. And you will now explain that we can use the information from such surveys to create persona for our business. The fifth step, you are going to divide the students in pairs and ask them to discuss the questions given under part C of their SRB, and you will inform students that they should answer the two questions given in part C based on the Tiffin survey they filled. For the sixth step, you are going to divide the class into 4 teams, and you will assign 2 teams a group A activity under part D of the SRB and group B to the other 2 teams. For the sixth step, you are going to divide the class into 4 teams, and you will assign 2 teams the group A activity given under part D of their SRB and group B activity to the other 2 teams. You will ask students to discuss the 2 questions given in part D within their teams and make a detailed notes about the potential customers of their assigned group as possible. Once students have discussed within groups, each group will present their answers for both the questions. Seventh step is the recap, and you will ask the students why it is important to understand customer needs to start and run a successful business. And you will ask the students to think about who their potential customer could be and how they would like to collect information about potential customers for their own business idea. Lastly, you are going to acknowledge the students for what they did well during the session, and you will conduct the pledge. Thank you so much.